Hi students, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Anu's tuition. In the last class, for the class 7, we started a second chapter called decimals and fraction. Nothing but fractions and decimals. Okay. In the 2.1 exercise also we completed. Next we are going to the another topic called multiplication of decimals and multiplication of decimal number with whole number. Today I am going to tell you the explanation part of the two topics, multiplication of decimals and multiplication of decimal number with whole number. Next, please subscribe to my channel, please give a like button, please if you share to other friends it will helpful for me. Thanks for watching. Let us start the video. Okay, see here, multiplication of 2.2 multiplication of decimals. See, we have learned about decimals, addition and subtraction of decimals in the previous class. Yes, decimals, addition and subtraction of decimals also we will discuss it in the last class. Let's review on those topics and these learn multiplication and division of decimals in these classes. Today in this class we are going to discuss about multiplication and division of decimals. The fraction with the denominators 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 etc. are decimal fractions or decimal numbers. Okay, the fraction 1 by 10 can be written as 0.1. In decimal form read as 0.1. So decimal number is another way of expression of a fraction. The place value chart can also be used to understand decimal. The place value chart. Okay, we can also use the place value chart to understand the decimals. Okay, next. See here, observe the following table. Okay, see decimal numbers, hundreds, tens, ones, 1 by tens, 1 by hundreds, 1 by thousands. This is a place value chart of a numbers for the decimal numbers. Okay, here 31.402 is there. For this, what is the place value chart? First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are there. Okay, here he prepared a chart for a 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means we will get 0 in the 100th place. Next in tens place 0, ones place 1. Next in decimals means 1 by 10 place 4, 1 by 100 place 0, 1 by thousands place is 1000. Okay, next 702.136. In the place value chart, 100th place ones, tens, hundreds. Ones place is 2, tens place is 0, 100th place is 7. Next 1 by 10 place is 1, 1 by 100th place is 3, 1 by thousands place is 6. Okay, next here 495.834. okay, here tens place is 5, here is 5 and ones place is 5, tens place is 9. Now what we have to write? In tens place we have to write 9 and in hundreds place is 4. Next, and 1 by 10th place is 8, 1 by 100th place is 3, 1 by thousands place is 4. Okay, next 520.301. Here ones place is 0, tens place is 2, hundreds place is 5 and 1 by tens place is 3, 1 by tens place is 3, 1 by 100th place is 0 and 1 by thousands place is 1. 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Here is ones, tens, hundreds. Here is the place value. In this place value chart, place values are given. We have to find the decimal number. So here in 100th place is 0. Next in tens place is 7, ones place is 2.188. This is the decimal value for the given place value, given numbers in the place value chart. Okay, next we can also write these decimals in expanded form. Look at the following picture from this table. See here, first number we will take the first decimal number 31.42402. Okay, how they are writing here? 30 plus 1 plus 4 by 10, 0 by 100, 2 by 1000. How we can write here? 31 is equal to 30 plus 1 plus 4 by 10, 0 by 100, 2 by 1000. Next, the place value of 4 is 4 by 10. Place value of 4 in 31.402 is 4 by 10. Okay. Next, similarly, we can write expanded form of the remaining decimals. Let us see how to add or subtract decimals. Okay. Previous what we learned means multiplication of a decimals and representing the given decimal number in the place value chart and the expanded form of the decimal number. Now we are going to what we are going to learn means add or subtraction of a decimals. We have learned that the decimal numbers are written one under the other with the decimal points lined up. One under the other with the decimal point lined up. Add or subtract as you would do all numbers, then place the decimal point in the result in line with the other decimal points. Here is the example: 356.24, 65.08. Where we have point, we have to write the numbers. 356.24, 65.08. While we are adding, we get 421.32. 32. No need to spell 32. 32 we have to spell. Here subtraction: 67.29 minus 35.91. After the subtraction, we will get 31.38. Okay. I hope you understand the topic of a multiplication of a decimals and representation of a decimals in a place value chart, and addition and subtraction of a decimal numbers and expanded form of a decimal numbers. Up to this, the topic is over. Next, we are starting 2.2.1 multiplication of decimal number with whole number. Okay, multiplication. Here already we completed addition and subtraction. Now we are going to do the multiplication of decimal number with whole numbers. Whole numbers are nothing but numbers which are counting with 0, 1, 2 up to so on are called the whole numbers. Okay, let us consider a daily life situation. Dheeraj of 7th class went to market with his father to purchase a cloth for short shirts. If a 1.5 meter cloth is needed for each shirt, how much cloth is required for 3 shirts? For each shirt it required 1.5 meter. For 3 shirts, how much we have to find? To find this, we need to understand the multiplication of decimals. There are many situations in real life where we need to multiply decimal numbers. These are the method 1 and method 2. Converting decimal into fraction: 3 into 1.5. 1.5 we can written as 15 by 10. 15 3s are 45 by 10. Next 4.5. We will get here 4.5. Next method 2. Multiply and put decimal point. Multiply whole number ignoring decimals. Okay. 3 into 15, that is equals to 45. The mark the decimal point to the product from the rightmost to left according to the number of decimal place in the given decimal. Here only one decimal place is there. Here is only one decimal number which is a right of the point. That's why we will get here 1 point. Okay. These are the two process of multiplying the decimal number with the whole number. Next method 3, pictorial representation. Okay, pictorial representation. 3 into 5. Okay, here is a 3 boxes, 1, 2, 3 and 1.5. We have to picture 1.5. 1, here is the 1, here is the 0.5, 1.5, 1.5. Okay, 3 boxes, 3 into 1.5, 3 times. Then we will get the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, half equals to 1 and half means 1, 2, 3, 4.5, 4.5. In this way also we can find the multiplication of in decimals. Next, each 1.5 decimal represents one whole and 5 tens, 5 by 10 parts. So the shaded region shows 3 into 1.5. Next, 3 into 1.5 is equals to 4.5. This is the method 3. Okay. Next, if one side of a square is 3.8 centimeters, then find its perimeter. First of all, while solving this problem, First of all, we have to know the formula for the perimeter of a square. What is the perimeter of a square? Means 4a. Okay, if you go to the earlier classes, we will know the formulas for the square, triangle, rectangle, like that. Number of sides to a square is equals to 4. Side of a square is equals to 3.8 centimeters. Each side of a square is equal. Then perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side, 4 into 3.1. Already we discussed about the multiplication of a decimal point. Here we will get 3 methods are there, which you can use, that is your choice. Then we will get 15.2 centimeters. Here is the diagram of a square with side of 3.8 centimeters. See, here are the examples we can find now. Find the product. Now we can find the product for these decimal numbers. Here is the first one. Now I am write the solution for this. 32.5 into 8. Okay, 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 20. 20. 8 3s are 24. 26. Okay, here after the point one number is there, that's why we will write here, we will keep here only one number has to be there, 260. What is the answer here? 260.0. Next, second one, 94.62 into 7. 94.62 into 7. 7 table. 7 2s are 14. 7 6 are 42, 43. 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 7 9 is 63 plus 6 plus 3, 66. After the decimal point, 2 numbers are there. Then next what we have to count? 1, 2. What is the answer? 662.34. First one, second one completed. Now we will complete the third and fourth. 109.761 into 31. Now we have to multiply this whole number into decimal number. First, multiplying with number, we will get the same number, 109.761. Next, 3. 3, 6 3s are 18, 21, 7 3s are 21, 22. 3 9s are 27, 29. 3 zeros are 0, 2. 3 ones are 3. 1, 9, 15, 12, 10, 4, 3. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. Next, the right of the decimal point, 3 digits are there. Next, we have to count 1, 2, 3. Next, we have to keep point here. Okay, you have to, after that, before you have to count the digits 1, 2, 3, and you have to keep the decimal point here. Next, fourth one, 61 into 2.39. Okay, first 9 ones are 9, 6 9s are 54, 3 ones are 3, 6 3s are 18, 2 ones are 2, 6 2s are 12, 9 7 15 15 4 1. Next, the right of the decimal point, how many digits are there? 1 2. Okay, you have to count 1 2 and you have to keep the decimal point right here, 145.79. These are the examples for the multiplication of a decimal number and whole number. Okay, next topic is multiplication of a decimal with 10, 100, 1000. You may wonder if you know what would happen if a decimal is multiplied by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Okay, let us see. 24.183 into 10 equals to, how we can write? Now we are changing the decimal into fractions. Okay, 24,183 by 1000. How many digits are there? Right to the decimal 1 2 3. That's why we will get 130, that is 1000 into 10. Next here will cancellation will be there, 1 0 will go, 1 0, then 100 will be there. Then we will get 24,183 by 100. Next 2 zeros will be there, then what we will get here, 1 to here point. Okay. Next same as next one also, 24.183 into 100. See here, 24.183 into 100. Then after multiplying this decimal number into 100, then what we will get, find what we will get the answer means, now changing the decimal number into fractions. 24,183 by 1 2 3 3 zeros, 1000 we will get into 100. Here 2 zeros cancelled. Next 24,183 by 10. Then now I am changing these fraction into the decimal number. Next what we will get here, by 10 means we will get before one digit decimal point, 2418.3. What is the answer? 2418.3. Next another one, 24.183 into 1000. Now we have to find what will get the answer. Okay, 24.183. Now I am converting this decimal into fractions by 1000 into 1000. Okay, here 1000 will be cancelled. 24,183. What we will get the answer? 24,183. This is the process of multiplying the decimal number into whole numbers. Okay, 10, 100, thousands also a whole number, or we can multiply what we will get, 10, 100 and 1000. This is the number we will get. Okay, next. See, these are the rules when we multiply the decimal number by 10. If we multiply a decimal number by 10, then we will shift the decimal point one place to right in the product. See, okay. If we multiply a decimal number by 100, then we will shift the decimal point 2 places to the right in the product. 12.56 into 100 means 1256.0. Next, if we will multiply a decimal number by 1000, then we will shift the decimal point by 3 places to the right in the product. To multiply, this is an important point, to multiply decimal numbers by 10, 100, 1000, just shift the decimal points in the product as many places to the right as numbers of zeros after 1. Here is 1 0 after 1, then we will get the one place. The decimal point will be moved to the one place to the right of the decimal number. Okay, next here 2 zeros are there, then it will shift to 2 places to the right to the given decimal number. Next, and here is 3 zeros, then it will be shifted to the 3 places to the right to the given decimal number. So here are the examples. Find 239.27 into 10, 5.305 into 100 and 23.1 into 1000. Now we will do. Okay, 239.27 into 10. Okay. Simply we can multiply here. Here is a 0. What is the rule? If the 1 0 will be there, then the decimal point will be shifted to next place, one next place to the given decimal number. This is the answer. That's it. Okay. Next, 5.305 into 100. 5.305 into 100. Next, this is the second point which we now only discussed, multiplying with 100. Means here is 2 zeros. Then the decimal number will be jumped to 2 places to the right to the given decimal number. 5305. It will jump to 1 2. 1 2 means here we will get the decimal point. Next, third one, 23.1 into 1000. Okay, 23 into 1000. Next, here 3 zeros are there. Okay, then it will go to the 3. 2, 3, 1, 0, 0. 2, 3, 1, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay. Here next 2.2.3 multiplication of two decimal numbers. Here in the earlier we multiplied with whole numbers 10, 100 and 1000. Now we are multiplying the two decimal numbers. What is the process? See, converting decimal into a fraction. Here 0.4 into 0.3 is there, 4 by 10, 3 by 10, 12 by 100 will be there, then 0.12 we will get. Next method 2 is there. Multiply and put decimal point. Okay, 0.4 into 0.3 we will get 12. Next, here two numbers are there in the right side of the decimal point, then we will get, before two numbers we will get the decimal point. Next, pictorial representation, 0.4 into 0.3. Here is a pictorial representation of 0.4. This is the 0.4 pictorial representation and this is a 0.3. Now we are multiplying 0.4 into 0.3, then we will get the pictorial representation of 0.4 into 0.3 is equals to 0.12. Next, we divide rectangle into 10 equal parts and shade 3 parts out of it to get 4 by 10. Next, we divide rectangle into 10 equal parts and shade 3 parts. Here 4 parts. Here 4 parts. Okay. Next, here 3 parts out of it to get 3 by 10. We will get 0.4 and 0.3. Now we are getting 4 by 10 of 3 by 10 of 0.3 into 0.4. We will get 0.12. Since these are 12 double shaded parts of 100, they represent. Okay. Next, example 5. See here example 5. Bindu went vegetable market with her mother to buy 3.5 kgs of onions. If the cost of onion is 18.50 per kg, then find the cost of 3.5 kgs of onions. Cost of 1 kg onion is 18.50 paisa. Okay, 50. Then we have to find the 3.5 kgs. Means what we have to do? Multiplication. Means rupees 18.50 into 3.5. We will get the answer 64.750. Now we will multiply this 18.50 into 3.5. Okay, 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 42, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8 9, 3 zeros are 0, 5 3s are 15, 24 25, 3 1s are 3, 4 5, 5 0 7 14 6. Here 3 digits are there. See here 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, like this. Means cost of a 3.5 kgs of a onions is equals to 64.75 rupees. Rupees 64.75 rupees. 64.75 rupees. Okay, here are some examples. We can find these products. $69.2 into 2.5. 69.2 into 2.5. 5 2s are 10. 5 9s are 45, 46. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. Okay, next 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18. 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. 0, 10, 13, 7, 1. There is 2 digits to the right of the decimal number, 1 and 2. Here 1, 2. This is the multiplication of a decimal numbers. First one is completed and second one is, here is the second one. 9 1s are 9, 6 9s are 54, 9 zeros are 0, 5, 9 twos are 18, 9 is completed. Next 0, which any number multiply with 0, we will get 0. 1, 2, 3, 0, 4 zeros. Next 3 ones are 3, 6 threes are 18, 3 zeros are 0, 1, 3 twos are 6, 9, 4, 8, 16, 1, 2, 3, 6. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there to the right of the decimal number. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, this is the multiplication of a two decimal numbers. Next, third one. Up to this, the explanation part of a multiplication of a decimal number with another decimal number is completed. In the next part 3 video, we will start the exercise 2.2. Okay, I hope you understand the video. Give a like button, please share to other students, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please support to my channel with your like button, share, comment me in the comment box. Okay, bye.